And then insulate it from there out. So he's open it up and you want to hit?
Yeah. They're 15 down below. They're from Dominican Republic. Oh. What I'll do is, I'll
whoa, that's a hit.
You go up like this.
The first middle one.
To go left and that way to go.
Yeah, that was your hit.
Gotcha.
So I get the last one?
Stop it.
Hit it.
That was a hit.
Where'd you shoot?
Go, pull back.
I know.
Relax.
Where'd you...
Too low. Hit. Somebody hit it.
Yeah.
A little low. Sean, go to the right. Thank you. So, how you been?
Good, how you been?
Want to see my toy?
Got a new toy?
Yeah.
Got something for you.
Thank you, thank you.
Chandler loading, 22.
Okay, give me my rifle. Fix this nice. Oh, let's.
We are the only ones here currently. $30 odds. My phone.
Chandler, what you looking for? Let me shoot. No, point the gun forward, always. Let me shoot some rounds, okay? Okay. You got ears in?
Yes. My grandpa shot.
Stupid.
Safety was on.
Where'd it hit?
Yeah, look through binoculars. I think so. It's 3 o'clock.
What are you shooting at?
First target here. 50-yard target. Take the glasses off.
I don't think he hit it.
Huh?
I don't think he hit it.
What's the power here? 6.
Yeah, I don't think he hit it.
No, it gotta be there.
target are you shooting at?
Harder target.